All right, so we're going to go over the directions for Module 1, Exercise 1, logos and overlays. So consider the following logo for Ocean County College. There's some files here. You could create your own original logo and overlay. Um, in this assignment, you have the option to either create an original logo and overlay for Ocean County College esports or improve on the existing or logo and overlay. Please prepare to report with the following components: the reasoning behind your logo and overlay, explain the choices made in designing your logo, overlay, and reason behind each decision. It's essential how color affects branding and the marketing. So you may want to Google search like what colors and what they mean in marketing just to get a basic understanding. Consider the psychology of colors and their impact on the target audience. Red and yellow are usually used in fast food chains because they can make us hungry. So do a little of your own Google searching. Try to figure out some colors that might make sense. Or if you're doing a university, it's kind of done for you. So we're going to submit PDFs after you design your overlay. Submit them so I can assess them, ensure the high quality, and they represent your design choices. Weaknesses and possible improvements. This is our like alpha test of doing something. So after you're finished, do you like it? Will it scale? Is it good? And then actions to rectify the weaknesses. This is the next step. You don't have to take the next step, but we're always thinking of doing something, making it better, um, and then going from there. We're evolving, right? We've seen the our iPhones logos. I mean, sorry, iPhones icons change throughout each iteration. So same thing. We're always trying to optimize. We're always trying to make things better. Really quickly, if you have no tech experience or if you've never made an overlay, this is called Canva. You could sign up with Google, it's free. And then in this prompt, you can write overlay and you can write Twitch overlay. Um, so there's a lot of different ones, right? If it has this, it's premium. So I wouldn't choose a premium one because people are going to want to, you know, make some money off it. They're going to make you pay a little bit for it or want to. So I'm looking. Um, I'm going to start with this. Looks like how about this one? We're going to customize this template. All right, so I have my template on the side. Everything is drag and drop. Don't worry about what the words say. You can change all that stuff later. If I grab it on the background, I'm not. It says yellow, but I'm not uh, necessarily. If you like something about it, it doesn't have to necessarily be yellow, right? If you do like the way it looks, you could keep it. Um, and then I would probably, you know, somewhere grab your logo. We'll say this is a logo. And there's other things you could do. You could do these elements where, what are they called? Borders? No. So I just started. I have all presets on my other accounts, and okay, there we go. They're called frames. So if I grab a frame, and this is the normal stuff. I could delete stuff that I don't want. It'll go away. I could group. I could ungroup things. Now we're thinking about overlays and what makes sense. Now I got this frame, and we're gonna just pretend that this was the icon I came up with. So we got our frames, and then I don't know. I was trying to avoid that, but I guess I'm going to image search, download image, save image as. All right, I'm downloading the OCC esports image, saving it. Then I'm in Canva. I would go to upload files from my computer, open. Now, if you put it on here, it saves, right? So Now I could drag and drop, right? Think about the organization. You might want to have some text here, right? Once you have yours, this isn't perfect yet because I still have to do one more step. So I can download. All right. So if you notice, they don't make that's where they're trying to get money. They all have these crowns, which means it's paid. So I'm just going to do the regular download, right? Then this is Pixlr. I'm going to open, and then um, is it my magic wand? All right, and now that's transparent. If there's anything else you want transparent, um, you would do that with it. I would clean this up a little bit, and then I do file export again. Make sure you do it with the transparency. You could add text, you could add anything like that. Um, there's some ads on here. You could also do this with Photoshop if you're good at Photoshop. I did it on here just in case we're on Chromebooks now, anything like that. It's just a free resource. Thanks.